Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you guys? So it's been a week. I have been away from my home. I was so busy uh, because of my some personal stuff. That's why I wasn't able to sit in front of my laptop. So this today was the last day of this week, and fortunately, I get some time. I managed some time to trade today's morning session as well as the PM session. So I took some trade today. I'm gonna just explain why I did. I was confident to take short in the morning and in the evening as well. Okay, come to the point. Let's start from DXY. I don't want to go in the deep of the details. I just want to show you this is the daily order block and price came here. I'll show you exactly where price came when I will go to the lower time frame. And then this big run. Today has some news at 8:10, yeah, 10:05. Though I took a loss first, then I mitigate my loss and get some profit. I'll show you everything. So come to the point. Here is DXY. I was hoping that DXY will go higher, and it happens like this candle, this hourly chart. Price go higher. Let's go to the in this chart you just remember this water block because it will need when I will explain the PM session, but in at AM session it's not important. This 15-minute chart, you see this small fair value gap in 15-minute chart. I marked it out. Price come here, it used the news to come here and then trade higher, go over this short-term high, and this is all the price action over here. But the thing is, I was hoping that price will come first here. It came here, then go there. In DXY, I was bullish, so in ES, I will try to take the short. That's my concept actually. Let's go to the ESU. So first, ESU 2023. So here is ESU. You see this hourly fair value gap. It's actually the hourly I fair value gap. ICT, yeah, sometime some months ago, maybe 1 or 2 months ago, he introduced the fair value gap, that is the inversion fair value gap. I marked it over here. I'll show you what this level is, why this is the water block. I'll show it to you. Just give me some time. In hourly chart, you just need to see this fair value gap. This is the most obvious fair value gap, which is aligned over here. There is also some gap and everything. Let's come to the 15-minute. Here's 15-minute chart. There is 10:15, the news time. Price go there and trade lower. If you have watched my live execution, you will see I marked so many sell side over here, and I actually marked all of this level, all this sell side, this sell side, this sell side, this sell side, all of this I marked in for executing my AM session silver bullet trade. That's nice run. Actually, I was hoping that, but I didn't take this trade. Okay, let's come to 5-minute because we need to see the order block. At 5-minute chart, you see this candle, this order block. I marked it because it's actually just the consequent encroachment of the hourly I fair value gap. It's almost over there. So this order block was very crucial for me. I was hoping that market will go there, and you see it's perfectly traded. to the water block. mm, exactly perfect. Market go there and bring lower. Well, let me actually, yeah. So let's go to the 1 minute chart. I know, man, it's very boring because my speaking, yeah, I also can't understand sometimes what I am telling. But this is the first time I'm actually explaining everything to all of you guys. I hope it will help you. If you don't understand anything, just comment it, write it down to the comment section, and then I will try to explain that specific thing. I'm not used to teaching or talking, so please forgive my speaking. You just take the information. I think that will help you. Okay, here is the 1 minute chart. There's the consolidation, and market first come down at 10:02. This for the news actually. I thought it has actually take the liquidity here. Then market goes up, come down. When it happens over here like this was the market, I get confirmation that market has cleared all of this liquidity. This was my first thinking. That's why I took the first loss actually. So that actually market has taken the liquidity. You can say this is the market structure shift, and to this fair value gap over here actually. Okay, I actually took the entry into this volume balance. I took the entry as hoping that it will just trade here. It won't go over there. It will stay open. So because this was the uh, the opening range gap, I was hoping that it just come here, maybe trade this gap. I wasn't sure. I was so hurry, so I took entry over just here and put my stop loss over there, and I just take loss. When I take loss, my bias was bearish because the sell side was so yummy. You see this, all of this liquidity, this was so yummy, so yummy. Here, this all are so yummy. You see this all of this liquidity is so yummy. So I was planning to take short, but first time I get short, I get stopped out in over here. Then market traded to this water block. You remember the 5 minute water block? This is the level. It just traded there. Also the hourly fair value gap, almost middle, not the consequent encroachment exactly, but it has traded to the hourly fair value gap. The bodies, it shows that it doesn't want to go over there, it just want to break lower. And then the big run. When the big run has happened, I marked the bearish breaker actually. This was the breaker. If market wants to go higher, if then this breaker should work properly. That means what I mean by that is market just, it will come maybe middle of the breaker, then it will go high, but it didn't do that. It just break the breaker. When it has break the breaker, this breaker was very important for me, so I took my first entry to this breaker here. And when market just go over there, I took another entry. So I took 10 sell, 10 contract sell over here, 5 contract sell over here. Yeah, all of these are paper money, not the real money, because I don't like to share my personal trade, the live trade with you guys, because it's very pressuring for me. I feel pressure, so I don't want to take the loss with my real money. So I took short here, short there, and you will see how did I manage all of this level. You please watch my AM session silver bullet video, entry video. It will show you that how did I manage my trade over here. So I go over there, and price at last hit my last liquidity, sell side liquidity, then reverse. This was my morning session. Maybe it's clear for you guys. I know it's very difficult because I'm actually not a good teacher. I'm just starting to share my concept with you, share my thinking about the ICT concept with you guys. So please just write something you specifically want to know, then I will try to explain it. Let's go to the PM session. Here is the PM session. PM session silver bullet actually. So when market just trade the lower part of the I fair value gap, you know, you remember the hourly I fair value gap, it has traded just in that candle and then break down lower. This is the market structure shift, the fair value gap, and my aim was over here, not this gap, because this is the breakaway gap. Some of my friends was asking me to talk about the breakaway gap. I will talk, but give me some more time because I want to explain more clearly the breakaway gap because it's a little bit tricky. So I'll explain it with clear voice. I don't want to mumble so that it would be difficult for you to understand the breakaway gap. If you understand what is breakaway gap, trust me bro, the trading will be much more easier for you guys. You can easily place your stop loss because if you know this gap will stay open, then you can easily take your trade, take your entry over here. If you would like to take the buy, you would take the buy over here and your stop loss can put over here. But if you don't know what is the breakaway gap, then you have to put your stop loss maybe lower of this candle or this lower of this swing low. So just give me some more time. I will explain what I understand about the breakaway gap. I'll let you. I will actually share my thinking with you guys. Just give some more minute. So this was the classical 22 YT model. Market has took all of this liquidity over here. You see this all this liquidity, and this is the consequent encroachment of this week. Okay, let me show you. Okay, you see this is the middle of this week, this level at 5-minute chart, or if you go to 15-minute chart, maybe you will find more precise consequent encroachment, but I used the 5-minute chart encroachment, consequent encroachment of this week. So when market break the consequent encroachment and traded to the lower part of the hourly fair value gap, then market structure shift. The fair value gap is over here, you can see, and this consequent encroachment is the consequent encroachment of this gap as well. So I just, when market traded over here, I took the trade with confident. I took the short actually with confident that market will go lower and it will trade at this place. Don't think it's small, it's huge man. It's nearly like yep, like 6 to 7 handle. It's huge. If you can manage your trade, 5 handle run is enough for for earning a smart amount of money. So I took the first entry over here, and I make a pyramid entry to this order block. You please watch my video live execution. You will see the whole execution I took. So I took this pyramid entry over here. So and I get out there because this gap, I was thinking this is the breakaway gap. So market won't trade over here, and market didn't trade over there till now. Then go to the order block, 5-minute order block, and also the consequent encroachment of the hourly I fair value gap. Then break lower. If you wanted to take the short, you could take this short, this candle, specifically this candle short. I was planning to take a short over here, but actually uh, it's too much for me, so I didn't take the short. So here is the account history. Actually today this all is for today, and this is previous this week trade. I wasn't able to sit on my in front of my laptop, so I took all of this trade through my phone, and I managed. I uploaded one video. So far I remember actually. You can check that out, how to manage the trade by mobile. Although I'm not supposed to trade in mobile because it's very difficult to understand the market, what's going to do. So laptop laptop is the best. Don't go with your mobile. It's very difficult to read the price action through a small screen. So that's all. Hope you guys will understand something. You will learn something from here. And if you have any compliment, please share with me through the comment. I have I'm just actually improving my speaking style so that you guys can understand everything, and you guys can easily get what you need from my video. That's all. Stay happy, stay safe, be safe. Bye bye.